How's it going? When we refer to sport, we can use 3 verbs: go, do, and play. So let's have a look at how and when to use them. We're going to begin by go is typically used for individual activities, and go always comes before an ing verb, as in go jogging, go walking, go skydiving, go cycling, go fishing, go swimming. Next we use do, and it is used for exercises, workouts, and martial arts. For example, we do aerobics, do karate, do push-ups, do pilates, or do sit-ups. And the last verb is play, and it is used for sports with a ball, team sports, games, and musical instruments, such as play soccer, play tennis, play basketball, play poker, play chess, play guitar, and play the piano. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you want English lessons e-books, send us a message. Thanks for watching.